Hello, my name is Fanny Achache. I'm an illustrator and Procreate artist, and today I want to show you how I create stamp brush in Procreate. So, first thing first, I'm going to create a new canvas. So let's click on the plus sign, and then I am going to create a square high-resolution image of 3000 pixels by 3000 pixels at 300 dpi, and then I click Create. Now, I am picking up a very basic brush, such as a monoline brush, for example. Let's increase the size, and I am going to create a very simple shape, such as a heart. So let's create a heart, and then just fill it. Now, let's center it. If you have the snapping selected, you should see orange lines to make sure it's in the middle of your canvas. Now, let's go to the wrench menu, and at the bottom, click on Copy Canvas. Then let's go back to the Brush Studio and click on the plus sign to create a new brush. Then I go straight to the shape and go to Edit, and then Paste, and here I have my heart shape. Now I'm going to tap with 2 fingers to invert to make sure I have a white shape on a black background. And then don't forget to tap Done. Now let's go to the stroke path. Then take the spacing and bring it to the max. This allows me to create single stamp brush of my shape. Now, I want my shape to be the exact same opacity every time I stamp. So I'm going to go to the Apple pencil here, and I'm going to bring the opacity from max to none. And now they have all the same opacity. Then I go to Properties, and I'm going to enable Stamp Preview. And I'm also going to play with the maximum size that I want for my brush stamps. Not too big because it could get blurry. So let's play with the size, and let's have it around 350%. Okay, and then you can click Done. Now I can erase this, I don't need it anymore, and I'm going to test our new brush. I can stamp, I can change size, I can of course change the color, and I can even change the opacity. Now let's say that you want to add your signature to your drawing, like a trademark. So I'm going to show you a new way to add a shape to your studio brush. So instead of copying the canvas, we're going to insert a file. So we're going back to the studio brush, click on the plus sign, go to the shape and edit the shape. And here I'm going to import a file. You can see you could import a photo or a file. So I'm going to find the file in my cloud, like so, and I'm going to insert it. I'm going again to tap with 2 fingers because I want the signature in white, not the frame around the signature. Then you all go to the same process. Bring the spacing to the max, then bring the opacity down to none in the Apple pencil, and I'm going to increase the size a little bit, and then I'm done. Et voilà! That's it for today. I hope you liked this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if there's a subject that you would want me to talk about. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!